Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you. We got two news articles we're going to take a look at. Coinbase will be the first major cryptocurrency company to go public, says here, and we're also going to be looking at the Kraken exchange possibly wanting to implement an IPO too as well. Bitcoin exchange Kraken considers going public after record trading volumes in the first quarter. So very interesting article here. Maybe Kraken is next on the list to go public on the New York Stock Exchange. We'll have to take a look and see. But first we got Coinbase going to be announcing their release on the stock market on April 14th. So we'll take a look at this article here, see what it's going to say, and then we'll jump on over into the charts and get started over there. Let's go ahead and cue that intro. All right, folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day, as there's new news and new bullish news coming out each and every single day in the cryptocurrency market. So Coinbase, let's take a look and see what's going on here. Following the year of massive growth in value of Bitcoin cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase Global plans to launch a highly anticipated initial public offering. The company plans to stage the Coinbase IPO April 14th. Coinbase is the largest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange. It lists about 50 cryptocurrencies for trading. The company will be the first major crypto company to go public. Bitcoin is the largest digital coin by market value and has more than doubled in value so far this year. As a result, that helped lift the total value of the cryptocurrency market past $2 trillion, doubling in about 2 months amid surging institutional demand. Bitcoin accounts for about half of the $2 trillion. Interesting. Wow. Oh, well, that's Bitcoin. Okay. Analysts expect Coinbase IPO to give the cryptocurrency market increased validation. Yeah, and I think that some of the transactional volumes on Coinbase was actually really, really high too as well. Morgan Stanley now allows some of its wealthiest clients to add Bitcoin to their portfolios. In the addition, Tesla now accepts Bitcoin as payment. Cards, MasterCard, and PayPal are embracing Bitcoin as well. Coinbase IPO is a direct listing. Let's read this. Coinbase is not doing a traditional IPO. It's going public through the direct listing instead. The current owners of Coinbase stock will convert their shares to make them available for trading. Doing so lets them avoid large fees for investment bankers. Direct listings are rare but have been used by big name companies such as Spotify Technologies and Plantair Technologies. The Coinbase IPO will trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker coin symbol COIN. The company is selling 114.9 million shares directly to the public, according to Coinbase IPO. It plans to reveal a reference price for shares a day before the trading begins. Analysts value Coinbase somewhere in the range of $7 billion to $9 billion, though some estimates go as high as $100 billion. In a voluntarily and primarily first quarter earnings report issued late Tuesday, the company said it verified 56 million people on Coinbase accounts. That's up to 43 million at the end of December. The first quarter 2020 tops all of 2020. Further, Coinbase first quarter results surpassed of 2020. The company reported revenue of $1.8 billion in the first quarter, with a net income of approximately $730 million to $800 million, according to filing last year. It brought $1.3 billion in revenue, profit of $322 million. Trading volume topped $335 billion in the first quarter. For all of 2020, trading volume was $193 billion. That's crazy. Billions of dollars being, transferred on this on the Coinbase website. So really, really interesting stuff there. And then let's take a look at what's going on with Kraken here, folks. So Kraken is obviously going to maybe be looking at a public offering too. So we'll see what's going on. Kraken is considered going public via direct listing in 2022 after Bitcoin's rally led to record high trading volumes. The startup in its fourth largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume and has over 6 million clients. Coinbase, Kraken main rival in the U.S., is set to go public in a blockbuster direct listing next week. Wow. So they're jumping right on the bandwagon here with Coinbase too. Very interesting. Let's see here. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken is considered going public through a direct listing in 2022 after seeing record trading volumes and new clients amid the surge in price of Bitcoin. Founder in 2011, Kraken is one of the world's largest Bitcoin crypto exchanges. It has more than 6 million clients and its fourth largest exchange by trading volume, according to CoinMarketCap data. Jesse Powell, Kraken CEO and co-founder, said in an interview that the firm had benefited significantly from Bitcoin's rally. Bitcoin hit a record high price of over $60,000 mid-March, with traders attributing to attributing the move to institutional investors jumping into the market. For us, any volatility is good, but it's always better when it's on the way up. Powell told CNBC the first quarter just completely blew away the entirety of last year. We beat last year's numbers by the end of February. The whole market has really just exploded. Kraken saw 4 times as many new users sign up to its platform in the first quarter of this year than it did in the second half of 2020. Wow. Spot trading volumes in the first quarter were 1.5 times higher than in the last year, reaching record level $160 billion. Coinbase listing, Coinbase Kraken's main rival, posted quarterly revenue of $1.8 billion. Okay, yeah, wow. So, and then it goes on to talk about the NFT booms too as well. Powell said, let's see what he talked about here. A lot of NFTs are created on Ethereum. A lot of these platforms operate on Ethereum. Ethereum is a big part of this. Okay, yeah. Interesting. So I don't know what the ticker symbol will be for Kraken, but it does look like they are going to be releasing, going public here on the stock market too, right along with Coinbase. So we got 2 exchanges in the cryptocurrency space that are going public on the stock exchange. So that is very, very interesting, very, very bullish news for us too as well. And yeah, folks, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's going on, how this is reflecting with the Bitcoin charts. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on over there. All right, so taking a look at the charts here, we can see right off the bat that we have Bitcoin sitting right at about 57,600. And let's see if we take a look also what's going on here with our Bitcoin prices. You know, we're still in this symmetrical triangle here. It kind of looks like more of an ascending triangle that's going to be formed, 60,000 being our resistance level, and then we have this base support down here that's continuing to put in higher lows too as well. So folks, don't forget, if you're brand new to this channel, we use the market cipher indicator by CryptoFace alongside with the market guide buy and sell signals too. There's links in the description box below, and we'll talk about what's going on here with our charts. So looking at our daily chart here, just kind of on a zoomed out level, we can still see that our daily on Bitcoin and market cipher is still looking kind of here that it wants to continue out sideways. We are putting in somewhat of a little bit of a Christmas tree pattern here, still kind of hoping to maintain support above the 0 pivot point. If we maintain support above the 0 pivot point, then we're obviously going to probably make us still of a nice rally here. But I would still be a little bit cautious on our daily chart. If we start to zoom in just a tad bit more, I would say taking a look at the 12-hour, we've already started to recover just a tad bit. Our 12-hour chart is still giving us a little bit of a recovery sign as of right now. We're seeing you know, some consolidation out to the side. I do think that on our lower time frames, we already had started to see some of this recovery. We came down here to retest the bottom. Let's see, the bottom of our support level with this teal line here, and it looks like we are starting to bounce off of this bottom support level. So maybe we get a test to come back up to $60,000. We're gonna see what is going to happen here over the weekend possibly. As of right now on our 6-hour chart, we are getting a green dot bounce here too as well with market cipher. And I think that this more likely will end up being a possible bottom for us in this symmetrical triangle. I still think that we'll probably consolidate out in this symmetrical triangle. If we come back up to retest that $60,000 level, we do know that every time that we retest a trend line, it definitely weakens it. But we'll see exactly how far this wants to go. Once we come back up to retest $60,000, are we going to be able to break through to higher levels? We'll have to wait and see. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, let's kind of keep zooming in here. Market God has given us a buy signal here on our 4-hour chart too as well. So taking a look at the 4-hour, Market God has given us our buy signal. And now we're waiting to see what's going to happen here as far as market cipher is concerned. Money flow is still looking relatively thin here on our 4-hour chart. Momentum waves are pushing further to the upside here. We want to see a momentum wave break above our 0 pivot point, and then we could have a nice little decent rally here. But money flow is still looking relatively thin. We want to see some nice movement with money flow along with momentum waves to the upside here to continue our further rally past $60,000. So this buy signal here on our 4-hour chart could definitely give us a push all the way back up to the top of the symmetrical triangle at about $60,000. But are we going to have enough volume behind it to break through this? That's our big concern. So we'll have to wait and see exactly how this wants to play out. But folks, don't forget, if y'all want to help support the channel, there's links in the description box below. If you want to pick up Market Cipher, there's a 5% discount code along with the link in the description box below. And then also with Market God, I've signed up for their affiliate program, so now you can sign up and help support the channel and get those buy and sell indicators on your charts too as well. And folks, if you want to also learn and stay up to date with us 24/7, how we're trading this market, what altcoins we're getting into, when we're looking at buying and selling prices, or just accumulation prices at that too as well, you can join us over on the private trading group. We use Patreon as a payment processor, but once you join Patreon, make sure that you have a Discord username that you can use, so that way I can give you access to all the private categories on our Discord server, and then that way you can stay up to date with us 24/7. And so with that being said, folks, it definitely looks like we found a little bit of a bottom on our support level of this ascending triangle that we've kind of drawn out, and now we're looking for a retest probably at about $60,000 to see if we can break through that or not. Maybe we don't get all the way up to 60,000. Maybe we consolidate out for a little bit longer to the end of this symmetrical triangle here, and then we'll see a break in one direction or the other. So stay up to date with us inside of our private trading group. If I don't put out a video for the next couple of days, and that's where we will be posting information at. But usually I'm on here making videos each and every single day. So thanks for the support, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, click the links in the description box below if you want to help support the channel. I highly appreciate it. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.